Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about automatic payment program F110. In F110 we have option called free selection. So what is the use of that free selection and what and all where how can you use practically I am going to talk about today. So first of all, in free selection, let us go to that in free selection. So F110 give date. So free selection has total 4: value 1, value 2, value 3 and value 4. If you are giving more than one value, it will check AND condition, not OR. I hope you understand the difference between and OR. AND means it will check both the condition. For example, in one scenario it is telling select it. Here if you are telling select particular document, but if in next step you are telling don't select that particular document, same document, it will throw error, because it will, if one criteria is matched, it will not just take decision based on that, it will check second criteria also. If there is any contradiction, it will throw error. I don't want to confuse you further here, so it has two. Let us focus on this part only value 1. So you have two options. One is called exclude. If you tick it, it becomes exclude. If you don't tick it, it becomes include. So first understand one by one. So if you tick it, it becomes exclude. If you don't tick it, it becomes include. So let us go to vendor master. Then let us understand this by requirement. That will be more easier. So give here your company code. So these are the invoices given under this vendor. I am going to run F110 for this vendor, and let us see what is the use of this one. Come here, payment method, give that vendor. Come to free selection. Now my requirement that while running for this vendor, definitely if vendor is due, it will pick all the invoices, but I don't want to, I want to exclude this particular invoice. So what I can do, I can select this one and I can come here and I can select this exclude. If I want to exclude any document, I have to tick this. Then based on what? Based on the document number. So you have so many other options. First I am talking about document number only. Let us see what and all other options. So you have customer master and vendor master. So double click on this. So you have customer master record and vendor master record. Inside that you have so many fields. So based on that also, if you want to include or exclude, you can select the parameter. But right now I am selecting document number. Then click on document number. Give here which document number you want to exclude. So here you have to give maximum 10 digit. So value document number should be maximum 10 digit, but our document number is only 7 digit. So if your document number is not up to 10 digit, you have to add that many zero. You have to add the short digit, you have to add by 0 and make it 10 digit. So my document number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then I added 30 to make it 10 digit. So again I am repeating. So I don't want to include this document in my payment run. Then what I have to do, I have to exclude it, and this is my document number. Therefore I have selected the document option. Now let us run the payment. Run the proposal. Run the payment. Come here, display. Double click on this. See, all the document it picked except this 90024. So 90024 it has not picked. So I hope you understood the meaning of exclude. Now come here and for example you delete this one. Now second scenario, in exclude itself you want to exclude two documents, for example this document and this document. For example you want to exclude this document also. What you do, give comma, again add 00. So this is the document, so these two documents I want to exclude. So again save parameter, so it will exclude these two documents and it will run the payment. Come here again. So 2, 4 and 9, 3 it has not picked. See 2, 4 and 9, 3 it has not picked in the run. So 2. Now your next requirement is that you want to exclude the range only from 24 to 93. So one by one you cannot type it, it is quite difficult. You want to exclude directly from 24 to 93. How to exclude the range? So again you delete it, this one. Click here, go to free selection. If you want to apply the range, then just you have to put in the bracket. What you have to just put in the bracket. If you put in the bracket, what it will happen, from 24 to 93 all the invoices, 24, 25, 26 up to 93 it will pick all the invoices. So that is the use of bracket. Again run. Means it will exclude, it will exclude because we are using exclude concept. So from 24 to 93 it will exclude all the invoices. Save it, go to proposal, run here and check it here. Double click. See, from up to 93 everything got excluded. Now your next requirement is that, for example up to 93, then 94 you don't want to exclude. Again after 95 to 97, 8 you want to exclude, something like that. So 94 you want to include, 95 to 98 you want to exclude again. In that scenario, rather than that you can include that particular document, but let us just I'm teaching how to put multiple selection criteria. So again come here, go here, proposal, delete it and come to free selection. You give comma, bracket open, then again put from 95 to 98. So 000 119 95 comma up to 95 to 98. So 19 98. So up to here. So what I am doing, from 24 to 93 I am excluding, the 94 I am not excluding, from 95 to 98 again I am excluding. So only out of this only one document will appear. This document will only appear in the payment run. Then proposal, hit enter, you can see it here. So only one document number will get included. See, only 94. Now this is the use of the exclude. Now let us see include scenario. So include scenario means again delete this one, come here, delete and click on free selection. If you don't tick this one, by default it become include. So now what we are doing, 24 to 93 are including, 95 to 98 you are including, but 94 you are excluding in this scenario. So again save it, run the proposal, then check it here. 94 will not be included in the payment because that one you are not included. See, except 94 everything came. Now this is the range. Similarly, if one document you want to include, one document also you can include. So this is how your include and exclude option is working in the free selection. For example, I want to include only one document, so you can include only one document like this. You select only one document, then you run it. Similarly, you can give multiple criteria. So you have multiple option you can give based on not only just document number, other so many fields are there. You can select all these fields. Based on that you can do exclusion and inclusion. So all these options are there. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the video, like the video. Thank you so much.